In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you guys how you can add payment method in your AliExpress account just in few minutes. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, so let's get started. So all you have to do is you just need to open your AliExpress account like this, go to your home page like this, okay, and click over here, and you should see payments, okay. So just click on payment, and here you go. You will be directly in this page over here like this, okay. So let me show you guys. So you just need to wait few seconds, and here you go. All you need to do next, just scroll down and you should see here cards, okay. Click on add new card, and here you go. You can put your personal card information here, your card number, and that's it, and your name of your card, and click on save, and that's it. That's how you can add payment method in your AliExpress account. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next videos.